Most lightweight and affordable Dutch oven I've found. It's beautiful, but we wanted to put it to the test. We made chili in it last night. We stored the leftovers in the refrigerator, and then we went to clean it up this morning. This Dutch oven by Gotham Steel is dishwasher safe, but we wanted to see how quick we could clean it up in the sink. This is in real time how much we sprayed it to get all the gook out. We did a full washing afterward, but we're super impressed with the cleanup and how quickly everything came out. This Dutch oven is easy to clean, it's metal utensil safe, and again, you can put it in the dishwasher if you want to. This would be perfect for someone who loves to cook, especially a sourdough maker, but I'll be using it for lots of fall soup recipes. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees, induction base for even cooking, and unlike mini pans these days, you can use metal utensils in it. We were impressed at the Nonstick. As we stirred the chili, we could see it literally dripping down the sides. It has 2 times better nonstick release. It's stronger than ceramic because it has titanium and diamond coating as well. Get one for yourself, get one as a gift. It's 20% off right now, plus an extra $5 off coupon. Click the orange bag to get yours.